desert. When's the last time you rode a horse? It's been a while, huh? Since you're up with Auntie. What do you think Auntie's gonna think of you riding a different horse? You think Harley's gonna be jealous? Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us!
Alright guys, we're on the outskirts of El Paso, Texas, out on some BLM land, and Bob has a friend that has some horses who offered to let us go out riding with Goose, and believe it or not, in the year and a half we've been traveling, other than with Aunt Stacy, we've never once stopped to ride horses. Even like the Grand Canyon, you can do donkeys and horses, and all the different places we've been to, you're allowed to ride, but we never have. So this is actually the first time we've done it. I don't think I've ever ridden with you, kiddo. Because anytime we ride...
It's only 10 miles that way.
Yeah, we're with Auntie.
And almost all the time you're not with me.
I know. Even though Goose has been riding since she was a year old, basically.
2 years old.
2 years old. A year and a half, I think, is when she first sat on a horse.
Yeah.
I have not ridden a horse more than like 5 minutes in probably a decade.
So James, how you doing? Haven't ridden in a while.
Pretty easy riding, but definitely wouldn't be doing any long trips on the saddle. You leaning back, relaxing?
You get the feeling you could just go on forever, looking straight ahead.
I know, right? How would you like to travel across the country like this?
I know. Yeah, no kidding. And think about it, people did.
Right? With exactly. And whoa. Alright guys, we've been riding for 20 minutes or so now, and I do not understand how people did this back in the day for days on end riding across the country. I know I don't have the best technique, but man, this is insane. You having fun so far? Okay. Are you learning to control her a little bit? Do you remember the horsey's name? Misty? Misty, is that your horse's name? And what was my name again?
That is...
Stargazer. Whoa.
You can go anywhere you want once we get to the gate.
Goose's boots don't quite reach the stirrups. For some reason, we didn't make room to carry her saddle with us all the way down to Texas.
You weren't in the Hong Kong airport.
You don't look like you're even having fun at all. Were you bored? Were you fun? You tired? Is it tough not being able to reach the stirrups? What do you think Mom's gonna think?
I want to be there when she sees the video.
Good girl. You guys were all so good. How you feeling, Bob?
Pandora did not want Missy passing her.
That's because I think Misty is the baby, so she's got to stay in the middle or in the back.
Well, even when I was trying to go in the middle, she wouldn't pass.
No, yeah. You did pretty good. Do you want to do any more riding, or are you done?
I want to try back.
You want to try a little bit? So one of the things you have requested a lot lately is more of the day-to-day RV life stuff. Like, what's it like getting up in the morning? What's it like cooking? What's it like having to do laundry? That kind of stuff. So today we're gonna do one of our kind of simple, straightforward dinner meals that we would have on a normal occasion, yeah?
Not sure how like super simple I would say it is, just because I've got tofu that I'm gonna like...
Oh yeah, she decided to add tofu.
Oh!
Our poll question of the day, we haven't done that in forever. Are you a tofu person or are you a normal person?
But nothing wrong with tofu. If you flavor it, it's delightful.
So tonight we're gonna be doing like a chicken bento type thing. So we have some teriyaki chicken.
I wanted to do like a shredded teriyaki chicken cooked in the teriyaki sauce with like fresh pineapple juices and garlic and all of that. And I got X-nayed by this
She also wanted baby corn and other I'm all about
to make stir fry with it. And he was like, what?
So we're keeping it simple today. We're doing chicken bento with a appetizer slash side dish of Ling Ling pot stickers, and then Mom's doing tofu somewhere. Where are you putting your tofu? Just in your rice?
No, I'm just gonna have it like your chicken. I'm gonna crisp it in the air
with
fryer.
The rice, yeah. They know we've already got the chicken done. Walk us through what's next. How do you go about cooking when we are boondocking in our trailer? Like, this is the most complicated part. Small spaces, limited power. What do we do? Go.
We make sure that our batteries are full, first of all, because if we're using our Instapot more than once and our air fryer, it's gonna go. First thing I make is the chicken, because James is gonna have to put it on the barbecue after I season it with some teriyaki and everything. Next thing that I'm gonna make is the rice, because it's easier to do it in the pressure cooker, and if I do it in a pot, I always burn it.
And by Ashley, she means I'm gonna make the rice.
Yes, because James, that's literally the only thing I ask him to ever make.
That's a lie.
Okay, I'm sorry. He makes us sandwiches, and he also makes...
And they make top ramen,
He
and
makes
they make
top
hot dogs.
He makes top ramen with cut up hot dogs. Oh, you make macaroni and cheese with cut up hot dogs.
Heck yeah.
So I lied. He does make stuff for us. But when it comes to actually preparing something for a meal that I am making, this is like the only time that I actually usually ask him to do much.
And she usually loves her jasmine rice, so that's what we get.
And then I'm gonna flavor my tofu. I'm just gonna let it sit in teriyaki juices because it's delicious. Oh shoosh. Normally I make a peanut sauce.
Let's just cut this part out. Beep.
Normally I make a peanut sauce, but I'm not today because someone's being a punk.
So we've used a couple different formulas to cook our rice in the pressure cooker, but today I'm doing 1 part rice, 1.5 parts water, and then I am going to pressure cook on high for 5 minutes and then let sit for 5-10 minutes for it to absorb the rest of the moisture. We'll see how that goes. We've tried a couple different variations. I'm trying to perfect it, so we'll see if today's is the perfect recipe.
Alright, so since he's got this going, I have to wait because both of those draw way too much power to be able to use them simultaneously while boondocking.
All the kids are watching shows in the background.
Yeah, that too. So it's fine. I like them extra flavored anyway, but I am gonna put them in the air fryer. I put them in for like 6 minutes. Sometimes I flip them, sometimes I don't. And it just gives them that like harder outer shell that is delicious. So I'm gonna do that with these. We have the rice, we have the chicken that we need to get on the barbecue, and we also need to make our pot stickers. So I'm really excited because today we partnered up with Ling Ling and they make these pot stickers, which I'm so excited for because we love pot stickers. We like to have them with our appetizer parties or just as appetizers. Sometimes
we had them for dinner.
When you're super lazy, it's dinner.
Some teriyaki sauce and some pot stickers. That has been dinner multiple occasions in our house.
I know, and I'm really excited because this one has the vegetable ones and has cabbage, tofu, and garlic. I love garlic. I love tofu. I'm excited to try these ones.
And then again, for normal people, we have some chicken ones back
here. And then we have chicken. But it also comes with the savory dipping sauce. Now the thing is, I'm not gonna lie to you, we usually never use the dipping sauce, but today we're gonna try it, so we'll see how that goes. So one of the things that I love about pot stickers, and especially from reading this, is that even James could do it. So little does he know that's what we're gonna do.
So I have made pot stickers in the past. It has been a while, but I'm just checking the instructions to see if it's any different, but it seems like it's exactly the same. Putting some olive oil in and basically just gonna pan fry them, flipping them with our little tongs to make sure they don't burn, and that's it.
This is probably the one and only time that I will ever get James to have vegetable pot stickers. What?
Ready?
My big strong man.
Pull out the sauce, dump them in,
Forgot something.
Dash of oil, fire. rice is done. Not bad if I do say so myself. Pretty good. I did have to, not gonna lie, I did have to add a little bit more water and put it back in for a minute or two because it was a little bit crunchy. So maybe instead of 1 part water or 1 part rice, 1.5 water, I should have done 1 part rice to 1 3/4 cups water. Right on that cusp. And then just left it in there to steam for a few more minutes. So Mommy is now using the air fryer to fry up her lovely pieces of cardboard. Are you excited about that?
I am.
And everything else is on the table here. We got our vegetables, chicken, and then chicken and vegetable pot stickers. And then we have 2 different sauces. We have our normal teriyaki sauce in one of these, and then the other one is the Ling Ling special sauce. We're gonna do a blind taste test and see which one Goose likes better. All right, so pick a pot sticker, any pot sticker. All right, and then you dip in one sauce, take a bite, enjoy it, savor it, then dip in the other sauce, take a bite, enjoy it, and savor it, and then you tell me which one you like better.
How about you taste it first, and then.
Okay.
So that you know which one you like best. And
Ooh, interesting. They're both very good, but they are both very different.
Oh, really?
You ready? All right. Here we go. Blind taste test of a 6-year-old.
that's teriyaki.
I don't know. We'll find out. What do you think? Do you like it?
You said this one is interesting. This one is a new one.
Well, you are just too darn smart for your own good. What do you think? Both good? Nice. Look at that, Mom. We have the approval of a 6-year-old. Can it get much better than that? This meal smells so good. From the chicken cooking in the teriyaki to the pot stickers, it all smells so good. Oh, and Goose is giving it a thumbs up. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna set you guys down, and I'm gonna enjoy some Ling Ling pot stickers, some chicken bento, and some jiggly pieces of yumminess.
Alright guys, if you want to try Ling Ling pot stickers, we will put
Link down below.
down below.
Thumbs up approval?
You like them both?
1 million.
If you guys are curious about any of the cooking utensils or anything we use on this channel, like the air fryer or the Instapot, or maybe more RV related gear, all that stuff is always linked up down below in the description. Just click on that RV gear Amazon link down below, and that has all the things we use for all of our RV related cooking, towing, electrical upgrades. Literally everything we use is linked up down below. So if you guys have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. But until next time, guys, remember, stay positive, get out there. Life is an adventure, so make some memories.